All right, boys and girls, we are heading out to the SPC truck show right now. Got the camera gear all loaded up, and we may or may not have some tires back here. I don't really know what they're for, but somebody said there's gonna be a burnout pad. You know, they might just fall out and magically land on the rear, and it would be really scary if that happened. You know, sometimes stuff like that happens, but yeah, we're gonna get on the road. We'll see you guys at Cedar Lake Speedway. All right, guys, we're here at the SPC truck show. We got my boy Carson here. He's the owner of SPC and the one hosting this truck show. And we got the favorite vendor, JD Kuba. Kuba Racing, follow him on TikTok.
Yep, follow it up.
What are we doing here? We're just kind of sitting on our thumbs. Sitting on our thumbs. Just waiting. We'll bleep that one out.
Bleep it out.
We'll bleep that.
Use that out.
All right, come on, let's look at these polished wheels here.
Okay, I didn't do those stuff. That's all ghost.
Now, if you look at this. Are you gonna do these at the show? Or is he just dropping them off?
He's trying to sell them.
Oh, these are for sale? I told him bring them to the
How much?
guys, come buy these wheels. Jacob, how much for your wheels?
You think you could fit 40?
He'd give you 17.
2,300 for these meat sticks here. It's great to polish job on these.
Hey, Bubba rig.
Yeah, we couldn't get the shine on here. Yeah,
Look at this, those tires.
what?
Tires on there. 2,200.
Little shine job from JD here. Not too shabby. Gonna go check out some of the other vendors here. Got a couple of trucks here so far. Registration starts at 12, so there'll be more trucks then, but yeah, not too bad of a lineup so far.
When we could be superstars, we've been rather wrecking cars.
Hey bro, is that Jambo?
What is at stake for us? Kicking up ponderous. Yeah, we could be superstars, but I'm pretty sure our time is up. And so we fell off the spinning tops.
Say you my nigga, but be your killer. Nobody gon' play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this good. Speed off the third on beat. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. Now you gon' cross the nigga that run you, which I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being the daddy to my little kids. I been standing on business, spinning until I'm dead. I do all the smack, me never step for help with none of these kids. He doing a lot of cap, watch when I catch him whack in front of the witness. Damn, I knew you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Remember we were taking cars. Now it's not safe. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Now I'm reminiscing. Remember we were taking cars. Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch.
Unbelievable. Just take it home already.
With the kick, snatch off on the bit. When I slide, light on the blick. Bet I move my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, call them pants down. Nigga, you shit. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate. Cause I'm a green. Yeah, couple minutes, KTV, back door wide open. Wait till my slice get out. All you niggas gon' die. Time rolling, bustin' on my opponent, no half stepping. Crush my arms totally. Wood jet broke, no motion. Sleeping on sofa, creeping that house like roaches. I done went cages and stages and cages. Now free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already
It's on fire, baby. What happens when you drive a Ford?
Yeah, we could be superstars, but I'm pretty sure our time is up. And so we plan on the spinning tops. Don't know, maybe for trial, but we will have
We're out here in the smoky wilderness today, folks. The skies are pretty clear today. Smells a little funky, but we're living the dream, aren't we?
I ain't slime, I'm grinding. Anyway you put it, I'm SG with it. I'm a super grinner. Snatch and grab. Sneak and geek. Like we gon' I bet you always see me in your dream.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for SPC 2.0. Thanks to Carson for putting on such a great show. We got lots of burnout clips, inhaled a lot of smoke. Might have lung cancer after this one, but hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in 4 months when I post the next video. Here, this is the best Chevy winner of the show. What do we got going on here? Is this like factory, or is this like an aftermarket mod here?
It's because of that fucking window tint.
One of those
aftermarket
window tint you put on
for extra
horsepower.
Oh yeah, more horsepower, more steering angle.
Yeah.
Well, it also helps it self-align.
Oh yeah,
is what it is. So.
Oh yeah, that's big dog. I thought the wheel bearing was gone.
I'd rather that'd be a real thing.
I would rather do a wheel bearing.
Hopefully your spacers aren't fucked.